Okay, we're looking at a cylinder head sent from Cinco Car Care. This is on a 3.7 Jeep engine. One of the first things we would look at is see if there's much warp to it. And if we put a straight edge up here, I can't hold everything all at once and still hold the camera, but in there we can get a 3, almost 4 thousandths feeler gauge in between there. So there is some warp to it. Some of the problem is from the head bolts, which are torqued to yield, and then they tend to stretch. So we have a little bit of warp to it there. The other thing would be if it shows up. All we do is pour water in the ports here. We're just sitting up on its side. We pour water in the ports. It is just water. It's not a penetrating fluid. There's no pressure on it, and water is leaking readily from that valve. And these, of course, have a terrible record with seats falling out. So if we were to do something about the valves, we wouldn't do anything without replacing the seat. And since one is leaking at this shop, we wouldn't do it anyway except to replace all the seats. We have a very high failure rate on these with seats falling out of the head.